Good morning. It's our last walk, our last morning walk to Universal. Can I get an Can I get an
We'll have an afternoon walk to Universal this afternoon because we're going to go back to the pool and come back for the Mexican tonight.
Yeah, plan of action today. Do like half a morning, like half a day at the parks, just doing the things that we want to do again, come back, go to the pool, then go to the Mexicans for tea.
And we found we can use the Universal shuttle bus to get back from City Walk back to our hotel because their hotel is just over the road, so that saves a few steps.
Yeah. And then we're done with Universal, and then we only have one Disney date, and then we have to leave.
But we'll end on a high because we're going to see Magic Kingdom fireworks tomorrow night.
Yes, we are.
Featuring
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell.
That wasn't a recording, but okay. The last time that we're going to be walking over the escalators to go to the parks, and I've got the tickets.
But it's not, because we'll be going tonight.
But we're up on the parks.
We're walking on the same escalators. Just saying. We'll be back.
Are you turning me off? Up here, up.
Thank you, Parker. You're as useful as a wet pile of newspaper. Listen, Scoop. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal. With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! Good luck. Man, you shouldn't be out here. With Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours.
So we've done Spider-Man, it was just as good as remembered, and now we're walking over to Jurassic, where I'm being forced against my will, to go on the Velocicoaster. I stand by, I did not want to do Velocicoaster, I did it, didn't like it, not a good ride. But we're now at Southland and we do the high in the sky trolley train. Where's it gone? Do the trolley train?
Hey?
Do the trolley train, the one you like?
Your favourite thing is Southland?
That looks like rain to me, Mum. Does that look like rain to you?
It's just a shower.
Just a shower. Oh, it is getting heavier. Just spitting. Alright.
So final Universal walk.
What was that, Dad?
our final Universal walk. We're opening for our
Oh,
Mexicans.
that's grass.
And we're determined to walk home unless it's chucking it down with rain. In which case we'll get the bus for Universal.
Oh, me and Mum will get the bus. And they can walk.
With our ice creams.
Yes. And donuts.
Voodoo.
Voodoo donuts. We're all ready and we're going for a Mexican tonight. And it'll be the last time we're at Universal. So sad. Today was cut short because of the weather, because it decided to hurry it down. So we had a bit longer in the hotel, and we didn't end up going to the pool because it was chucking it down. But excited for tonight. Got our fajitas. Fajitas? Nope. You got the shrimp, I think. And Alex got something.
Zach Miller!
Universal done. Only one more day. Oh. Oh. Doodle, doodle. Finally got my voodoo donuts, which you're gonna enjoy in the morning. And I think mine looks the best.